On October 5th, it will be once again World Teachers' Day, and such an important day, not only for the teachers, but for all those who have been taught by teachers. Really, a teacher is such an important influence in one's life. And actually, teachers are actually practicing a profession that connects with the future of students, the future of any young or old person who's being taught. It connects with eternity because a teacher doesn't really know how far her influence will go. In today's world of rapid changes, that influence takes many different ways. And we here at ZABIST University are very aware of the fact that with technological advancements, teachers have to also change, and they have changed in their role, not only as the providers and givers of knowledge and information, but also as facilitators, as mentors, as guides, as developing a student's whole personality in order to be able to actualize their potential to the maximum. And education is really a passport to the future. And that's what every teacher does, give to every student. And this is my firm belief that a teacher is perhaps the most powerful influence on a young person. And I'm sure every one of you, as you acknowledge and appreciate the teachers that you've had all your lives, will remember that. And you'll find a good way to appreciate your teacher, appreciate all your teachers. And I wish teachers everywhere a very, very happy and a very wonderful and successful World Teachers' Day.